Some books should be tasted, some devoured, but only a few should be chewed and digested thoroughly. The words of Francis Bacon. Since our first steps as man, we have attempted to pass on our knowledge to future generations so that we can build up and progress as a species to survive longer and live fitter, as it were. The major leap in achieving this goal occurred with the invention of writing. Obviously, something can be said for the actual invention of language and how that impacted people's thought processes. But writing allowed multiple generations, or a multiple generational base or foundation of knowledge to be used to further humanity as a species. The first writing occurred in Sumeria, which is in modern day, or Mesopotamia, which is in modern day Iraq, and that was about 3200 BCE, which is 5,214 years ago, roughly. And from these small places around the world, writing spread throughout, and within a few thousand years, we had reached such a stage where we had the printing press able to allow the masses to read, and not just the elite of the ancient times. And even though today most of our writing is done electronically, it is still a key component to maintaining knowledge for future generations so that we can build up and create more complex systems. A lot of inventions, a lot of breakthroughs in science would not have occurred without the previous work done by either ancient or relatively recent contemporary authors or scientists or whatever it may be. All of that said, means that for us to maintain a level of civilization compatible with our current lifestyle, we need to have a larger base of people that can interpret writings, whether they be English or any other language, but there must be standardized forms of putting information somewhere, whether it's the internet or in books or whatever it may be. But that information should be stored, maintained for future generations, as that is the only sense of progress we can actually make, particularly as problems become more complex and we require more input from more various sources. The electronic age gives us, it should actually be called the information age, gives us a massive advantage in filtering and sifting information on a massive scale. We just need to learn how to do it, and obviously we need to have more people who can do it. Reading or interpreting writings is key to the maintenance of civilization, to the survival of humanity into the future, into the far future. So reading is a crucial component and stepping stone in attaining knowledge and understanding. Thanks for listening to my ramblings. If you got your own ideas, leave us a comment. If you got something you want me to talk about, leave a comment. If you liked the video, give it a like. And to see more videos, just hit the subscribe button.